Imagine volcanoes erupting beneath the ocean's surface, hidden from view. These underwater giants, called submarine volcanoes, shape our planet in incredible ways. As they erupt, they create new land, forming islands that rise from the depths. But that's not all. These fiery eruptions also support unique ecosystems, providing habitats for strange and fascinating marine life. From bubbling lava to mysterious deep-sea creatures, this is a world like no other. Hit that subscribe button for more exciting discoveries from the deep ocean and beyond.